estate planning for the spouse that does not have dementia. Oftentimes, when a spouse is diagnosed with dementia, the family's mission critical momentum is to try to get the estate plan done. Do we have time to get the advance directives done for the spouse that has dementia? And I won't disagree that that is extremely important and should be a top priority. However, many of these families are very short-sighted and they only want to plan for dad because dad is the one with dementia, not thinking that any existing plans that mom may have probably say dad is mom's primary for her power of attorney, her healthcare surrogate. And unless they hated each other when they did their original estate plan, if they did one at all, it probably says in mom's will or trust that all goes to dad if he should survive mom. And so even though dad may be less healthy cognitively, there is a thing called caregiver burnout, in which case oftentimes over 60% of spousal caregivers situations, the healthier spouse who's doing the caregiving and not the care receiving actually dies first. So scary statistic, but I've seen it play out pretty much on a weekly basis. So if the healthier spouse doesn't do some advanced planning in the form of, first of all, a trust, second of all, a special needs provision for their less healthy, cognitively impaired spouse, if they die first, it is going to go very bad very quickly. First and foremost, all of the money is going to roll over to the less healthy spouse's name and probably blow up their Medicaid or VA benefits that they may already be receiving or that they may be entitled to. Second thing is, by putting money all in the name of a person with cognitive challenges, they may easily become a target of financial exploitation. Seen it time and time again where they're befriended by someone, certainly men, because men are stupid, and they, nice young lady from the neighborhood starts coming by and bringing them a pie and some dinner, and before you know it, her car broke down and she needs some help, and the old man's just writing checks that he normally wouldn't have, but he's lonely, he is not firing on all cylinders cognitively, and thinks he's doing a good thing for this stranger or this friend. So keeping the money in the hands and in the authority of people who are able to make good decisions is extremely important, and maintaining benefit eligibility for the spouse with a cognitive impairment also important. So don't just think about estate planning for the spouse that got diagnosed with dementia. Think about estate planning for both spouses. Have a great day.